cross-border shopping trips to Buffalo just yet.
We're not out of this pandemic yet. We're still seeing cases across the country, and we want to get them down.
The ban on non-essential travel to the U.S. has been extended again, this time until July 21st. The Prime Minister citing a need for more Canadians to be vaccinated first, because he says even a fully vaccinated person can pass the virus.
We have to hit our targets of 75% vaccinated with the first dose, at least 20% vaccinated at the second dose, before we can start loosening things up.
Canada has almost hit that target. More than 73% of Canadians aged 12 and up have received a first dose, and almost 15% are fully vaccinated. The government says come Monday it will be releasing more information about measures to allow fully vaccinated Canadians and others to cross. It's already promised no quarantine for fully vaccinated people starting early July.
We're very, very disappointed.
Niagara Falls Mayor Jim Diodati says he and other border town mayors he has spoken with don't believe another month is necessary, saying Ottawa's vaccination targets will be met sooner.
They already know pretty close when we're going to hit the number that they're looking for. So make the announcement so we can start making plans.
But Niagara Region's Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Mustafa Hirji, says he agrees with keeping the border closed and thinks it may have to stay closed until the fall, writing in an email to CHCH News that more time is needed to bring COVID case numbers down in Ontario and in the U.S. The U.S. continues to have significantly higher numbers of cases than Canada, posing a risk to us if the border were opened. Just in the last week, the Tourism Industry Association of Canada has held 2 congressional and parliamentary panel discussions on the topic, with politicians from both sides of the border calling for it to be reopened.
Just immediately open the border to fully vaccinated individuals with a system in place.
We're hitting metrics now, that I think should say it really is time.
Diodati says Niagara Falls businesses are hurting, and the extension will do serious further damage to the already devastated tourism sector.
It's going to have a big impact, and I can tell you already there are tourist operators hanging on, just barely hanging on.
Diodati says the Falls makes most of its money for the year between Canada Day and Labor Day. Matt Ingram, CHCH News, Niagara Falls.